guys, samahan nyo ako mag-vlog tayo. Kumustahin natin yung mga talisay tree. Before I have vlog with the talisay. Let's go! You see that guys? Kumustahin natin yung mga talisay natin. This is the point of my vlog. We need to say how are you all my talisay before I make vlog this one. Oh, now it's so much green. But the fruits it's not coming finished. It's like green now. And this is the garden. Talisay tree. The talisay tree. Very big and tall tree. This is very helping to me for my channel. They're giving me a lot of views. The story of this talisay tree. Thank you for watching guys. This is my vlog for today guys. Kumustahin natin guys yung mga talisay. You remember guys, I make vlog here in the talisay tree. Now, very nice. Have too much green leaves. But this one, the fruits, it's not coming from now. It's green, not yet. You see that? It's green. I have a vlog here from last time. Talisay tree. The fruits is almost green. But I'm happy because you see that? It's too much green. All the talisay here, it's green. Look. And this is the flower tree. Very nice soil or the garden, it's like green. Yes. This is my vlog for today. We need to show you about my last time vlog, the talisay tree. This is the point of my vlog now. I want to show you how was going on my talisay tree here. Look at that. A lot of fruits, but not so yellow. It's all green. Here, green. Look. So much. The talisay tree. Here from the swimming pool. And this is the tree that last time have a bird. This one have a bird, nest of bird. This is the tree from before. Naalala niyo to guys, may swimming pool tayo dito. Nag-vlog ako about sending a gratitude to each and everyone. This is it. The swimming pool before. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like it. This is your host Maria Variety Vlogs. God bless everyone.